Hey everybody, Ryan Ware from Android Coliseum here to do an unboxing of some gift from Google. Oh, but I think we know exactly what it is. It's the Pixel 3. This is the Pixel 2, so just want to have that out there for comparison. I already looked at it at work. It's a little bit wet because I came in from the rain here. So my little gift from Google. Thank you, Google. So we're going to get a Pixel stand, and we'll talk about that in a bit. We got a case for it as well. Nice personalized letter from somebody at Google. Thank you so much for being now. I'm on Team Pixel again. And this is the Pixel 3. I am excited. Let's test this out. Let's open it up. Garbage. Garbage. Let's open it. And okay, there's a device. Before I get into that, let's see what else is in the box. Sometimes you miss things in the box. So, instruction manual. There's a charger. Ooh, there's headphones. There's an adapters like there was last year, the dongle, and USB-C adapter. And then there's a USB-C headphones. Cool. Now, I don't think they actually work on Assistant, but you can't have everything some days. But that is cool. I am looking forward to trying those out. Put those back into the box because I like having everything exactly the same way as in the box later, because I never really use that stuff. I have too many things already around somewhere else. Okay, moment of truth. Let's open this guy up. Satisfying. Wow, that's pretty cool. That is neat how it looks like it's two types of glass, but it's really one, but it's just been etched in there. In terms of size wise, it's definitely the same size. We just have the notch now. Like it's pretty much identical to the other guy. Just not. I got a scratch there already. Just something. There's a scratch on the glass already. Is it? Don't tell me that. No, it's just some glue. Anyways, it is QI compatible, QI compatible. Put in my charger. Yeah, it's charging. The charger wouldn't reach this far, but pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. I think the camera juts out a little less over there, so I will be interested to pop this baby going. Let's turn it on. Oh, it's got the notch. Big whoopee. You don't care about the notch, trust me. While we're doing that, let's take a look at what else we have in here. So we have a little case. But, I'll play the case later. That is cool. Oh, Google. Hi there. Okay, everybody. I'm going to be playing with this. I'll do some reviews in the next little bit, and I'll let you know what I think. Thanks.